Yes, indeed. There's a major leadership update in the pharma space. Former Cipla MD and global CEO Umang Vohra has now been appointed as the executive chairman as well as the group CEO of Cohance Life Sciences. This is effective May 20th for a 5-year term that's going to be ending in April of 2031. As a result, Cohance's stock has soared since yesterday, adding around 5,300 crores to the company's market cap. Now, Cohance says that Vohra will be tasked with driving the company's evolution into a global technology-led CDMO player, which is a space that's both seeing strong global demand as well as consolidation in the market. Now, under Vohra's leadership, Cipla's revenue has expanded quite a bit, with EBITDA margins improving from around 15 to 17% levels earlier to nearly 25% under his leadership. Their US business as well has seen tremendous growth, rising from sub $100 million levels to around $230 million. Their India business as well became a strong growth driver for the entire company, with chronic therapies rising up to 62% of India revenues. The company also expanded its respiratory portfolio and strengthened manufacturing as well as digital capabilities in Cipla. Now, in his final quarter as CEO, Cipla posted its highest ever quarterly revenues, reaching up to around 7,589 crores with an EBITDA margin of 25%. Now, the market clearly has big expectations with Umang Vohra taking the helm at Cohance. And now it's going to be really interesting to watch if these big ambitions come to fruition. Given that the CDMO player, it has quite a big footprint in US, it's going to be quite interesting to see how that scales up, what new modalities are added, and this leadership shift is indeed one to watch very closely.
Clearly, and on the back of this leadership change that we're seeing, Cohance Life Sciences is